I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready. Sign in with an administrator account so changes take effect. Once signed in, press Windows plus R, type msconfig, and hit Enter. That opens System Configuration. In the Boot tab, you'll see Safe Boot checked. Uncheck it. Click Apply, then OK. This tells Windows to stop forcing safe mode on next restart, and it's the simplest, safest first action because it only changes the boot option rather than deleting system files. If msconfig didn't clear safe mode, or you can't access the GUI, use Advanced Startup or the command line. Hold Shift while clicking Restart to open Recovery Options, or Boot to troubleshoot Advanced Options command prompt. From an elevated prompt type, bcdedit/delete a value current safe boot and press Enter. This removes the safe boot flag from the boot configuration. Once done, close the prompt and choose Continue to restart normally. This targets the root setting rather than a profile-level toggle. Restart the PC and let Windows boot. You should arrive at the normal desktop. Make sure network and peripherals initialize so Windows completes normal startup services. If the system still returns to safe mode, run an elevated sfc/scano to repair system files and review Device Manager for problematic drivers that force safe mode. As a last resort use system, restore to a pre-safe mode point or perform an in-place repair install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.